it's your girl Natasha B, your flight attendant's favorite flight attendant, and I'm back with another video. So today, yes, as you can see by the title, this is my big announcement. So I have officially opened my very own CrashPad. So for all of my flight attendants out there that need somewhere to stay, I got you. So the CrashPad has been open officially since September of last year. So I've kind of kept it on like the hush, only because I was still trying to get, like get the hang of everything and, pretty much get all like the kinks and quirks and things like that. Like, I mean, of course, that's still kind of, that's going to take a little bit of time, but I also didn't want to go ahead and like pre-announce something and then something not happen or whatever. I'm just, I don't like to make announcements until after something is like legit confirmed and this is what it is. So yeah. So yes, it is a hotel CrashPad, and like I said, I've been open since September. The name of it is CrashPads of America. So what inspired me to go ahead and open up my very own CrashPad was the fact that the very first CrashPad that I was in, as you guys seen in one of the videos that I did about like reserve life and all of that kind of stuff, and I kind of talked about the CrashPad that I was in, and that was about August of last year, 2018. So there was like a lot of like little issues and things that happened, as far as like some girls coming in and not having a bed, or the owner like even telling some people to go sleep in the crew lounge and they've already paid their money for the month. Like, I'm sorry, if I paid my money, then I need somewhere to stay, not at the crew lounge. So it was just things like that that kind of made me like, you know what? I see an opportunity that people need some sort of help. They want like a CrashPad that's not too overcrowded and things like that, but still have the convenience of all the amenities of a hotel. So I figured, why not go ahead and do my own thing? So that's what I did. Probably about like a week or two into August, I realized, like there was like a legit need for maybe another CrashPad somewhere. So I went ahead and I did it. And yeah, I officially opened September 3rd of last year. So yes, it is just me. It is a hell of a lot of work. I will let you know that now. It is not easy, and it's something that I would recommend you doing if you had a partner. I wouldn't recommend you doing it on your own. I personally did it on my own, and when I say it was like a headache, it was very stressful. Like, it was just a whole lot. But I made it work or whatever. I'm still, making it work now, whatever. So, like I said, it's still very new, so it still has spots available. I'm definitely very private about the information that is released about the CrashPad, as far as like who's in it, how many spots are open, those things, just to kind of protect the community or whatever of the CrashPad, like their privacy and things like that. So yeah, so I will leave the information and all that kind of stuff in the description box, and just click the link down below. You can see like all of the information or whatever, because everybody wants the convenience of a hotel. Like, especially when you're, based away from home. When I say a hotel CrashPad is a lifesaver, I don't understand how people do it that don't have a hotel CrashPad, me personally, because like I told you guys before, that's just extra money. And with me being a regional flight attendant, and I've told you guys what our salary is, it's just not ideal for us to keep paying for Ubers, because at the end of the day, we would be spending more than we're actually making. So with that being said, like I said, I will leave all the information down in the description box. If you have any comments, questions, even any suggestions, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. I hope this, helps some of you guys out. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few months now. It's still like I said, it's still relatively new. If you know anyone that's looking for a CrashPad or whatever, definitely make sure you share this video, or at least share the link down below to let them know, like, hey, this CrashPad has, may be able to accommodate you in Chicago, this, that, and the third. So, I will say I'm not there a lot. As you guys know, my company works me like all the time, so I'm barely ever there. However, that's even better for you guys, because it's just one extra bed that's open for everybody. But But yeah, so like I said, I'll get back to you as soon as possible with the emails. I do kind of have someone that kind of helps me with the email some, because I am flying a lot. However, they're also flying as well, so it's just kind of like, you know, whenever somebody gets some signal or something, or, you know, we're not like dealing with passengers or something like that, then, you know, we go ahead and answer all of those emails for everybody. So yeah, if you have any more questions, any concerns, or just anything of that nature, if you want more information as far as like, I don't know, just anything dealing with CrashPad, just definitely leave it down below. I hope you guys are excited about the news. I know I was excited when it happened. Also a bit nervous because I didn't really know how it was going to turn out, what to really expect. You know, you never really know what to really expect when you get into business with when you start some sort of business. And, you know, honestly, you'll find out when you get there. You know, like, you can only assume, but you really find out everything that it comes with when you actually get into it. Please don't ask, guys. I cannot give discounts. Like, I can't give any of that. But what I do provide is I provide a referral. So if you are already a part of the CrashPad community, then if you refer a friend and they go ahead and, you know, put down their deposit and pay for their first month, then you get $25 off your next month. So that is the incentive that I have right now for the CrashPad. So, you know, to, you know, encourage people to refer their friends and stuff. So, and usually what happens is that when you tend to have people that are very comfortable and very familiar with each other and that are friends, or were in a class together or something like that, you usually tend to have a better community within the CrashPad. And that's something that I require within the CrashPad, is that it stays a very friendly environment. I mean, this is aviation, and it's just kind of how things work in this industry. So, you know, people are very respectful and stuff like that, don't get me wrong. So you usually don't have too much of like a problem. So that's pretty much like the feel of the industry. So that is a requirement that I require in the CrashPad. It's just for everyone to just be very respectful to not only your CrashPad mates, but also the hotel staff, the shuttle people, or anybody in that nature that is helping you with anything that has to do with the CrashPad, because essentially, you know, they're helping to make our lives a hell of a lot easier. So yeah, that is, you know, pretty straightforward. I don't want to make this video very long whatsoever. Point blank period. I started my own CrashPad. You know, definitely, like I said, share this video, spread the word for me, please, and thank you. Like I said, I have the link and everything down below, so you can always click on that link. You can go look at the listing and, you know, just kind of get a little bit more information. And if you decide to go ahead and move forward, then definitely email the company email, and then, you know, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And like I said, with the way things are ran right now, it's only, you know, it's only a temporary type of situation. I do plan to, of course, you know, expand it or whatever with like the whole website and, you know, all of that kind of stuff, just to make everything way more convenient and way easier, so that it's not just email and stuff like that. Yeah, just to kind of, you know, make it more user friendly, I would say. Yeah, I think that's a wrap. I don't want to ramble too much on this video, but I definitely wanted to come on and give you guys the good news, share it with you guys now since it has been a few months, and let you guys know that, hey, I got you. You already know. If you are part of the family, you already know I got you. So if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, so that the next time I post something, you get notified. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Find your way back home.